pagi ni sesi kita kita ada dua orang distinguished speakers yang akan memberi welcome remarks. So yang pertama ialah Dr. Shalwani dan juga Dr. Profesor Madya Muhammad Amri. Okay. Alia boleh share screen untuk slide. Alia or Nila, you can share the screen for the speakers profile. Okay. So nama saya Dr. Susi, saya daripada IMAN UKM. So pada pagi ini kita ada dua orang speakers yang akan memberi welcoming remark. So yang pertama ialah Dr. Shalwani Kamani. Alright, so yang pertama, so Dr. Shalwani, her background, let me just read through her brief background. She is a new product introduction engineer at Keysight Technologies Penang. So upon completion of her first degree, Bachelor of Computer Engineering from University Malaysia Perlis in 2009, she started her career as RF engineer at Freescale Semiconductor Selangor, while pursuing her Master of Electrical, Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering at University Technology Malaysia in part-time mode. So she has received her PhD in RF Microwave Engineering from Cardiff University, United Kingdom in 2018. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to invite Dr. Shalwani to give her welcoming remarks. Dr. Shalwani, dah masuk ya?
Ya, dah.
Okay, hi, good morning.
Hi, morning.
Okay, dipersilakan giving your welcoming remarks, Dr. Shalwani.
Alright. Assalamualaikum and good morning to the moderator, Associate Professor Dr. Sustita Menon and Associate Professor Dr. Muhammad Amri Mohammad, the Deputy Director of IMEN UKM. Alright, so to IEEE EDS members, the volunteers and our young and awesome kids out there, I hope all of you are doing fine. And first and foremost, I would like to thank the IEEE EDS members for inviting me to be a part of today's event on Train the Student Station, Discover Coding, tobbie 2, right? So I believe ini adalah a part of STEM program yang kita jalankan untuk perkenalkan STEM kepada young minds at the early ages. And saya diberitahu oleh Dr. Susi, the age range is from 6 to 17 years old, right? And yeah, to our penyumbang generasi yang bijak-bijak semua ni, so if you all perasan, sains teknologi, math ni kita apply dalam kehidupan seharian tanpa kita sedar. So of course, we took subject in school, right? So we took the exam and then we passed with flying colours. Then pernah tak kita tanya diri kita, what am I learning? I belajar apa ni? Untuk apa? Kat mana I nak implement apa yang I belajar ni? So adakah ianya hanya untuk lulus exam semata? Pernah tanya tak semua? So tak apa, it's fine. So jika kita lihat secara keseluruhannya, banyak kegunaan STEM dalam kehidupan. Sebagai engineer, so saya bagi contoh yang dekat lah dalam industri perkilangan sebab saya engineer dekat sebuah company dekat Penang. So kita menggunakan banyak mesin untuk ringankan kerja-kerja manusia dan menjimatkan masa. So sebagai contoh, kita nak assemble sebiji laptop kat kilang Dell. So dalam laptop tu ada banyak komponen electronics, right? So kita ada power supply juga untuk turn on the laptop. So jika kita silap letak komponen, so possibility untuk laptop tu meletup adalah tinggi. So kita kena fikir macam mana kita nak gerakkan mesin atau robot ni supaya mereka macam bijak lah, supaya diorang boleh ambil komponen yang betul dan assemble di tempat yang betul. So macam mana kita buat? Kita guna software dan kita juga guna coding untuk bagi arahan kepada robot atau mesin tu. Dan kita juga guna macam unsur-unsur mechanical dan engineering untuk menggerakkan mesin tu. Lepas tu kita juga guna mathematical calculation untuk bagi lokasi yang tepat supaya komponen tu tak salah letak lah. So I believe ini asas ilmu yang you all akan belajar dalam coding dan robotic session hari ni. So jangan terkejut jika in future semua robot je buat kerja, manusia hanya monitor. Tapi of course lah kita nak kan, kita nak kerja. So lagi satu, kalau kita tengok dalam industri perfilman, saya pasti semua orang tengok kot Iron Man, Transformers, Avatar, Upin Ipin, even Agent Ali, Boy. So macam kalau kita tengok Transformers, right, kita tengok wow, hebatnya manusia boleh fight dengan robot. So kita fikir tak macam mana dia buat, sedangkan robot tu bukan benda hidup. So macam mana buat untuk jadi robot tu hidup dan real. So macam contoh Transformers, kita menggunakan diorang panggil teknik visual 3D dan CGI lah untuk grafik dan animation. So ini adalah salah satu cabang STEM jugalah. So normally kita menggunakan app sebagai interface, right? So dan itu adalah asasnya dari coding sebagai conventional method. So that's why we need to keep learning, I think, and exploring the beautiful of technology. And I'd like to thank IEEE EDS members again for organizing this wonderful event. This is a very good approach to encourage our young generation untuk bagi mereka involved dalam STEM melalui coding dan robotics. So for the young kids out there, I'm very proud of your willingness to learn. Bukan semua orang macam sudi untuk belajar, but please, I think you shouldn't stop here. Keep on implementing science, technology and engineering dan relate dalam kehidupan seharian. Itu yang paling penting. So because I believe you will find it very enjoyable and interesting, trust me. So I wish you best of luck. And with that, I end my words here. Thank you. Back to you, Dr. Susi.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shalwani. Beri kata semangat pada semua. Kita ada so far dalam 36 hingga 38 pelajar sekolah. So the youngest, as you said, is 6 until 17 dan daripada pelbagai sekolah di Malaysia. So I'm sure with your words, you have motivated them to pursue STEM for lifelong learning and also as a career. Thank you so much, Dr. Shalwani. So next, we have Associate Professor Dr. Mohammad. Let me read out his brief background. So Dr. Amri is currently the Deputy Director of IMAN UKM, and he received his PhD in Material Science from Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, JAIS, in 2010. So his previous work experiences, he was a production engineer in Alps Electric. He was a postdoc researcher in JAIS. He was also the assistant professor in Japan in JAIS, and also assistant professor in International Islamic University Malaysia. So his research interests are mainly in carbon electronics, graphene and 2D related materials, III-V semiconductors, MBE technology, spintronics, energy harvesters, material growth, nano devices and characterizations. So let's hear from Dr. Amri on his welcoming remarks. Dipersilakan Dr. Amri.
Terima kasih Dr. Susi and our engineer Dr. Shalwani Kamarudin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera kepada semua peserta-peserta Train the Students. Jadi selamat kembali ke siri ketiga program terakhir pada minggu ini, iaitu kita akan melakukan tobbie 2, saya dimaklumkan. Dan saya nak juga ucapkan tahniah lah kepada pelajar-pelajar semua kerana berjaya hadir hingga ke siri kali ini, siri ketiga. Walaupun semalam dah buka borders dan saya pastilah ramai parents yang teringin bawa anak dia keluar, tapi kita tamatkan jugalah, kita perlu tamatkan juga program kita ni. So setakat ni saya dimaklumkan pelajar-pelajar telah didedahkan dengan pelbagai pengisian, contohnya seperti bagaimana menggunakan komponen-komponen elektronik dalam snap circuit, mencuba membina solar board menggunakan tenaga solar untuk menggerakkan pelbagai jenis robot yang ada dekat dalam kit tu. Dan hari ini adalah sesi yang dinanti-nantikan oleh semua, iaitu tobbie 2 ya. Okey, jadi saya jangka sesi kali ini adalah paling menarik sekali, di mana pelajar akan diajar menggunakan coding untuk memberi arahan kepada robot tersebut bagaimana melakukan pergerakan dan sebagainya. Jadi tujuan utama program ini diadakan saya pasti adalah untuk memberi pendedahan awal kepada pelajar-pelajar untuk mereka melakukan reka cipta ya. Dan kemudiannya cuba memprogramkan atau buat kod untuk mengikut kreativiti masing-masing lah. Mereka boleh gunakan pre-program kod ataupun mereka boleh mengubah kod tersebut untuk mengarahkan robot membuat beberapa aktiviti. So saya kira semua ini pelajar-pelajar semua amat bertuah lah kerana diberikan tunjuk ajar oleh demonstrator yang cukup committed dengan alat bantuan Tinkercad dan kit yang telah dibekalkan oleh pihak IEEE. So terima kasih IEEE. And then walaupun pada ketika ini kita dalam pandemik, pelajar-pelajar telah menunjukkan komitmen yang tinggi kita terpaksa hadir dalam sesi online. Saya harap kita dapat bertemu bersua muka, tapi tak apa. Dalam online pun kita boleh buat. Tahniah dan terima kasih saya ucapkan terlebih lagi lah kepada semua para pelajar, para demonstrator dan pengajar yang terlibat. Saya juga amat berharaplah pendedahan ilmu asas coding ini dapat menarik minat para pelajar terhadap bidang sains, teknologi dan kejuruteraan, dan satu hari nanti bila besar salah seorang ataupun mungkin semuanya pelajar boleh menjadi jurutera, teknokrat, programmer ataupun saintis yang hebat untuk negara kita. Akhir sekali saya nak ucapkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaanlah kepada pihak IEEE, Electronic Device Society, terutamanya Profesor Madya, Dr. Susi, member IEEE Educational Activities and Board of Directors atas inisiatif yang hebat ini untuk menganjurkan program yang saya rasa cukup bermanfaat kepada pelajar-pelajar cilik kita. Jadi saya juga nak ucapkan terima kasihlah kepada ibu bapa yang memberikan komitmen yang tinggi untuk memberikan pendedahan awal kepada anak-anak mereka tentang kepentingan STEM ni. Saya kira itu saja opening remarks dari saya. Terima kasih Dr. Si. Dan enjoy your session today ya. Okay. Itu saja Dr. Susi, back to you.
Right, thank you very much Dr. Amri for your welcoming remarks. So before we proceed with the program, I'd like to introduce our instructors for today, which is we have two of our EDS UKM student branch. So they are, the first is Nila Walagan, who is the Vice Chairman of EDS UKM student branch. And the second one is Yoganash, who is the Secretary of EDS UKM student branch. Okay, so before we start our session for today, okay, let's all of us open the camera and show your big smile on a Sunday. All right, we are all going to learn something new today. So jom semua anak-anak semua tolong buka kamera. Jom kita ambil group foto dulu ya sebelum kita start sesi kita pada pagi ni. Okay? Boleh tak semua buka kamera? Semua dah mandi kan? Sunday kan? Okay. So semua dah buka kamera, senyum lebar-lebar biar moderator kita ambil gambar pada pagi ni. Muka ceria ya. Last session yang Tobbie punya pula. Okay, senyum. Okay, kalau ada yang ada adik-beradik semua sharing satu komputer bolehlah duduk sama-sama . Kalau ada 2-3 gadget pun tak apa. Okay, senyum semua. Eugene, who's taking the photo?
I take.
You take
Okay. Everyone smile.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Smile. Okay, thank you everyone.
Okay. All right, thank you very much everyone. So di sini saya juga ingin mengucapkan terima kasihlah kepada guest kita iaitu Dr. Syalwani dan juga Dr. Amri kerana memberikan welcoming remark. So, saya juga nak memberikan ucapan terima kasih kepada 3 chapter yang menyumbang kepada program ini iaitu IEEE EDS UKM Student Branch yang dipengerusikan oleh Tan Eugene, dan juga komitinya. Tidak lupa juga kepada EDS Malaysia Chapter yang dipengerusikan oleh Associate Professor Dr. Sabirin, dan last but not least to EDS Penang Joint Chapter yang dipengerusikan oleh Dr. Lee, right? So unfortunately Dr. Lee and Dr. Bernard can't make it today, so Dr. Syalwani represent EDS Penang Joint Chapter. Okay, so dah cukup cakap-cakap, so let's move on to our program. Okay, our instructors ready, Yoganesh and Nila. Let me just read out a brief overview about both of them. So Nila and Yoga, they are both pursuing their bachelor's degree in electronics engineering at UKM, and they are both, as I mentioned earlier, vice chair and also secretary in the EDS UKM student branch. So they have been serving as volunteers since 2019 in EDS UKM student branch. Okay, so Nila and Yoga, so kita punya schedule pada pagi ni kita start dengan kita akan start dengan Tinkercad dan juga do you have a slide on the agenda, Eugenia? Is there a slide on the agenda that we can project? Is there a slide on the agenda? Just nak make sure lah semua orang faham apa kita punya program pada hari ni how it's going to go on. Okay, jap saya share. Where
Give a moment.
I also have it with me. Okay. Okay, tadi kita dah dengar welcoming remarks. So daripada 10:15 sampai 11:25, Abang Nila dengan Abang Yoga akan tunjuk cara nak buat tobbie 2 punya eksperimen dan juga Tinkercad. So ada anak-anak di sini yang tak ada kit jangan bimbang. Kita masih ada Tinkercad. Nanti bila sekolah dah buka, kita akan datang ke sekolah anda ataupun anda boleh datang ke UKM untuk program face to face dan boleh mencuba gunakan robot tersebut dan sebagainya. Okay, then 11:25 kita ada quiz kita nampak past 2 weeks ramai yang menang hadiah kan. So minggu ni pun nantikan, jadi kena dengar bila abang-abang ni explain, kena dengar betul-betul so dia boleh jawab quiz dengan betul. And then kita ada closing ceremony nantilah. Okay, alright, so acara kita akan berakhir pada pukul 12. So that's all from me. I pass over to Nila and Yoga.
Okay, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor.
Alright.
Okay. Good morning, students. So today I'll start with tobbie. So let me see what is tobbie first. So tobbie is a combination of microbit technology. So you can create tobbie to do certain you can do tobbie to do certain programs which you can code tobbie to do as you like. So you can use your own imagination to make tobbie to do whatever you want. So such as singing, dancing, you can use him as a dice and so on. So next is tobbie is a programmable built-in yourself exhibit robot. So this is meant by you can program, as I said before, you can program tobbie to do whatever you want, like you can make it explore, you can make it sing and dance, you can make it like use as a dice when you're playing a game or anything you want. So next is about microbit. So microbit is a programmable microprocessor. So without the microbit, tobbie is just a toy without it can't move, it can't do anything. So you need the microbit processor to make Toby move and play around and other things. So the microbit is the important stuff where you make Toby to move and all. So let's go to next slide. So this is how robots work. So as you all can see here, there are sensors where the robots will gather information such as for Toby, we have uh, light sensor. So all the sensors. So the Toby will take the information, gather the sensor information. So the information will be sent to PCB or central processing unit, and also it will be sent to the microbit. So the microbit will ask Toby to make the actions he wants. So for example, if you upload the Explorer code, so the Toby, when the sensor detects a thing in front of him, it makes the Toby to turn to a way that there is no any things in front of him. So if you have tried before, you will see, or later I'll show the videos. So let's go to the next slide. So this is the microbit. So for those who have the kit, you can see the microbit we'll be having. So those students without the kit, you can see here, this is the microbit, how it look like. So the microbit have 25 LED lights. So here, so this will show you like smiley faces, what you need to do, all that stuff you can show using this LED lights. And it have two buttons. These buttons you will be using to control few functions, where when the Toby is in a resting mode, you can start with these two buttons. We have a USB connector here. You can see here USB connector. This connector you will be using for connect microbit with your PC. So next is there are pins. You can see here these pins. This pin 3V is like it's input for this microbit, which gives like works as to power up this, and this is a ground. So this is all about microbit. So we go to the next slide. So so I'll introduce what is coding to you students. So few of you will be having some experience, like a little of experience about coding. So for those who are new, coding is computer programming. So you just use certain languages, coding languages, to code a program. So this coding will help us to give an instruction to a computer. So if, for an example, if you want to give ask Toby to sing and play, so you need to use certain codes which will make him sing and play. So this is the function of coding, where we can give instruction to a computer to do certain stuff. So as I said before, there are many types of programming languages such as C++, Python, Java, Ruby, and more like C#. There are a lot of programming languages, but they just share the same thing. So it will be like just different a bit, but they use different type of languages. So let's move to the next one. So about Toby and coding together, we can see that Toby, we can upload the code to the microbit using PC, tablet, and smartphone. So PC, you can use the micro USB cable, as I showed just now. So you can connect with the micro USB cable to here and connect the other USB to the PC, and you can just upload the code straight. So students, you need to remember that only one code can be sent to Toby's microbit per time. So if you want Toby to sing and dance, you need to send the sing and dance code first. And you want to do like sing and dance and dance together, you can't do that. So Toby only reads only one code per time. So when you send another program to Toby the second time, the first code you sent before will be deleted. So you need to remember, like, Toby can't do like two coding per time. So first, if you want him to sing and dance first, then you need to send the program first. Then if you want to change it to dice, then send the dice program. Then the sing and dance program will be deleted automatically. So next is from the Elanco website, we will be getting 12 programs which we can use to try Toby to do certain things. So the 12 programs, you can use one program per time. So when you trying this next program, the program you uploaded before will be deleted automatically. So per time, only one program you can upload. So as I said, Toby only runs one program per time. So next, so I think students already fixed their Toby 2 already in full mode. I'm sure. So I think already having like this. So I think all already fixed Toby as this. So just I'll show you how to upload the code. I think most of you already figured out how to upload the code, but I just for those who are having some trouble or errors, so I'll teach them how to upload the code to microbit using PC. So first, just download the programs from Elanco website. So yesterday, I already give the link and the file. So you can just download from the link, or you can just download the file I gave in the WhatsApp. So next, after you download, you can see like 12 coding. So these are 12 coding. The assembly checker is just to check whether the code is working or the movement of the robot is correct, the motors are functioning well or not. So assembly checker is just for checking the robot is in a good condition. So next, so first of all, you need to take the microbit processor, connect with the micro USB cable. So the other end of the USB cable, connect it to connect it to the PC. So next is, so after you connecting to your PC, you can see the microbit folder here. So make sure it's displaying in your file. Okay, IL Shafan. So you can't see the microbit in your PC, is it? So is your wait a minute. Is your microbit as the LED blinking, or there is no LED blinking in your microbit? Did I show how it's looking? So you need to connect like this, then the cable here, just connect to the PC. So after you're connecting, you'll see here, you can see the yellow light, right? So it means it's already connected to the PC. So you can see the folder here. Did I share the screen first? So can you see? So this is the microbit folder here. So should be like this. The if after you connected, this LED must light up and a file must be shown here. If the LED is not working, I think you're having problem with your cable, or you didn't like fix properly here or at the cable. So try to use another. Oh, that 2 times off. So it's not showing you any LED lights, is it? Is it showing any LED lights on, but it's not detected? LED is on but not detected. Okay, try to go to your PC file and see. This PC might be there. If it's not automatically opening, then it might be there's somewhere here. So you can see for me the microbit is here. So try to open this PC and see, is it displaying the microbit? If it's not opening, the microbit is not detected. Are you using the PC? Is it all are using PC? Is it the one can't detect your? Oh, but the LED is blinking, right? LED on, but it's not detected. Okay. I'll try to just press the reset, like both A and B button and reset button together and release. Is it showing a Bluetooth sign? Like, wait a minute. So just after you connect, you'll be seeing the LED, right? So just push these two buttons and the push these two A B buttons, and the reset button is behind. So just click and leave. So it will be showing like this Bluetooth. Is it working like that? Is it working like that? If it's working like this, it will be show a pattern here. So if it's showing like that, I'll use another way to upload the code. You can use the Android. I'm not sure what's the problem. What's the problem with the microbit? So later we will try with the Android version of how to upload the code. If it's showing like it's my for me, this is the pattern for my microbit. So you guys will be having your own pattern. So later, if can't connect with the PC, we will try to use the Android version of uploading code. Doesn't want to reset, is it? Just click this. After connecting, just click A and B together. Press the reset button once, just once, and release. Just the reset button you need to press once and release it. No need to press for like A and B. A and B you need to press until you press the reset button. Is it working? Okay, I will so first I'll teach the things first. So later I'll.
So Nila, you're going to show program number 1?
Yeah, doctor. I'll move on first.
So,
later I'll teach the Android version.
Okay.
So after you get this, just open the downloaded file. Just drag the files to the microbit folder. Just click, if you want to click the calculator, drag it to microbit app. So it will send to microbit. If you doesn't understand this, just if you want to choose calculator, choose the calculator, right click and choose send to, then choose microbit app. So it will be sent to microbit app. So after you send, just unplug your microbit from the USB, unplug it, then just fix it carefully into tobbie 2. So after this, the program you uploaded to the microbit, it will be just run on your tobbie 2. So I'll show some examples, few examples of the program. So those who doesn't have the kit, you can see how it will be working. So so this is the assembly checker. I already uploaded to, I'm checking the assembly checkers here. So it will be like this. So just follow the signs there and keep your hands on the sensor. So it will check its movement like this. So this is the assembly checker. So next we'll go to, this is a bit fun for you guys. If you already tried, you know, if not, you can try this. So this is the remote control. You can use your tobbie as remote control. So first, just go to Play Store, and download. Just type tobbie 2. So I'm doing tobbie 2. So there you can see the tobbie 2 app. So here you can see the tobbie 2 app. So just install the tobbie 2 app. So I'm installing the tobbie 2 app. After you install, you need to open. You will ask to open on your Bluetooth. So just go back on your Bluetooth. So after on your Bluetooth, it will just ask your permission for location. So just allow the permission for location. So here you can see I'm not yet on my tobbie 2. So I forgot to on my tobbie 2, but I'm start scanning first. So you guys just on the tobbie 2. So
Nila, in the chat, they're asking what is the program that they need to pick in the microbit? Yeah, from Razik.
So this is remote control. You can see in the file I sent, there will be app remote control number 12.
Number 12. Okay.
Yeah.
App remote
number 12,
control.
App
Okay.
remote control. So just
Alright.
send the file to your tobbie. So
Okay.
I'll go slow a bit, I think.
Okay, yeah, I think. All right.
I'm too fast, I think.
Okay, then there's another question. App name. What is the app name?
Just type tobbie 2 in your Play Store.
Okay.
Just type tobbie 2.
Okay. All right. I think no. Okay. No more question.
So,
okay, Nila, go on.
Okay. So after, I think I'll go slow a bit. So after you download, I think all already downloaded. So I'll go slow a bit. If anything, just type in or just open your mic and wait for a while. So after you download, so you can see like this the screen. Just allow the permissions they're asking for, like they'll ask for location. What was the rest? Okay, Irel Shazwan, wait for a while. I'll come back to you. I'll just show first, then I'll come back to you. So first, after you downloading the app, So give the permissions. So I forgot to on, so the name is not displaying. So I'll on back. So now I already on back. So after you on, you can see your microbit's name here. So my microbit's name is to put here. So you can just click the name. So just click name, it will start connecting. So after connecting, it will be doing a small dance here. So now you can see the controllers. So the controllers, so you can use like your normal control car controller just to control him. So you can see I'm just moving it around. I'm showing how it's moving, so turning. So it can do everything like normally, like you can walk around. So it's just I'm showing like everything is working fine, like can move. So this is like you can send, as I said just now, there are 25 LEDs in microbit, right? So you can just type anything in here. So there's a file like a messaging file, right? So you guys can type in anything you want, like any message. So the LED will show for you. So okay, you guys can see here. So I'm typing hi guys. So just tap send. So you can see here hi GUYS. So you can send any messages, and here this is the part where you can change his face mode. So I typing angry, sad, asleep, all those you can change his face type. So anyone missed out or stuck in between can ask me. If working fine, tell me also, so I can know it's working on your guys tobbie, because for me it's worked. So is it all working for all? I'll just play from. So because this remote control a bit fun, where you can control your tobbie yourself. So just can play with him around, bring him around. So who can't do this can ask me in the chat, or I'll go to the next part. Kalau bahasa Inggeris tak faham apa yang saya cakap dalam bahasa Inggeris, boleh cakap dalam chat juga ya, untuk cakap dalam bahasa Melayu. Saya akan explain balik dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, I think all able to do this, so I'll go to the next thing. So next is sing and dance. So this is where you can choose tobbie to sing and dance, where he can dance for few minutes. You can choose the how many times he need to dance. So here just press A, then it will ask how many times you need to dance. So here I selecting number 1. Then after selecting number 1, just choose number B, press button B. So he'll just start, he'll go and he'll start dancing. So this is the dancing program. If you upload the dancing and dance program, which is sing and dance is number 3. So it will show the number 3, singing and dancing. If you upload the singing and dancing program, it will be doing these functions. So it will sing and dance for the song. So next. So next is rock, paper, scissors. So you can interact with tobbie with playing rock, paper, and scissors. So this is how. So the program is rock paper scissors is number 7. So when you upload program number 7, it will do rock paper scissors. So if you want, if I'm very fast or something, you guys can stop me. You can tell me in the chat. So for this, just upload the program, and you need to keep the hands on the sensor. So the sensor is down here. So the sensor is down here. Just keep your hand on the sensor. He will start. So he will do a rotation and he'll show what is sign. So the next is playing it. So it's turning around. So here Yoga showed scissors and he also showed scissors. So it's a tie. So you can, if you are feeling boring or something, you just can play with tobbie. Okay, so is it okay for everyone? I'm going to the next part. So everyone can follow. Is it? Am I very fast or something? And stop me if I'm very fast. So, for those who can't make the detect microbit, I'll finish this. I'll explain you how to do it another way. Okay. So this is the calculator. So for choosing numbers, you need to just press A, the right left side. So you need to press, if you want 10, number 10, you need to press 10 times, and just press B for symbols. So now you can see plus, right? So if you press another time, it will change to minus. So you press another time, it will change to times, multiply. So you can choose the symbols there. And again, you need to go to button A to take the second number. So first you choose 1, then you're choosing again 1. So 1 plus 1, you're choosing 1 plus 1. If you guys want a bigger number like 5, 1 to 6, you need to press 6 times. So 6, you need to press 6 times to get the number 6. Then just press A again. So it will equals the number. So just now Yoga pressed 1 plus 1, so it equals 2. So after this, you want to reset back, you need to just shake the tobbie, it will be reset back, it will show 0. So like this, it will, after reset, it will show 0 here. So that's all. Doctor, can I teach them how to do it on?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Lila.
Okay. So for those who can't make it connect, just try to connect like this. So connect to, okay, just connect like this. Then as I said just now, press these 2 buttons together, then press this reset button and release it. So press these 2, press the reset button and release. So it will show like this. But the symbol for you will be a different symbol because every microbit has its own symbol. Okay. Okay. So next, take your phone. So go to Play Store. Type microbit. So you will see a app like this. Can you see microbit? Okay. So just install the app. So after you open your app, it will be like this. Okay. Okay, I think all following me. Not all, just for those who can't connect with the PC. I hope this way will work for you. So after that, just download the programs I gave you. So if you go into the website will be like this, right? So the website will be like this. So just click the first one, just download it. So download the files. So if you download from the drive, you can choose which one you want to download from the drive. So I'll just show you. So like this, right? So if you click the drive, it'll be a bit easy. So you can just choose which program you want. So just go here, then choose your program. So I'm choosing like I want to play rock, paper, and scissors. So just click that. So it will show like this. So just download. Everyone can follow, right? So just download the program. So just downloading your program. So you can follow until this. So I'll wait for a while. So it will take time to download the. So you need to do it in your smartphone. So it's a way where you can upload the code from your smartphone. Okay. Irel Shafan. Okay, is it okay for you? Irel Shafan and Dosimi Lagu. Is it okay? Are you guys following? Okay, I'll show the next step. Okay, I'll do it. So just download the code you want, the program you want from the drive. So like this, just click it, just pick a random one, just download it. So it will be saved in your phone later. So if we can use the file to upload into your microbit. So can I go to the next step? I will do Shini. Is it okay? Is it until this step? Is it working? Okay. So next, open your microbit app, which we download just now. Microbit app. So you'll see this for pair, flash, all this. So just choose pair. So it will show like this. So down here, you can see this pair a new microbit. Okay. So just click pair the new microbit. So it will ask for permission to on your Bluetooth. So just click OK. So it asks your location permission also. So just click allow its permission, allow your Bluetooth permission. So it will show here, right? As I said just now, press A and B together and press and release the reset button. So just follow the instruction given there. So I'm doing it again. So it show like Bluetooth and show the symbol, right? So you need, after you come to this point, just click next. So it show like this. So just draw what symbol it's showing in your microbit. So the yellow thing should be down here. Don't see like this. Must be like this. So the yellow pins must be down here, and you need to put the symbol showing for you. Don't connect with mine. So you need to connect with your pins. So just draw. So use your microbit symbol. So correct, right? So just follow like this, connect like this. Then click next pair. So it show like searching for microbit. So for me, because I already paired with him before, he just asking me to pair. So for you guys who is trying first time, it will ask to click the A button once. After you clicking the A button once, he will show few numbers. So you need to key in the numbers in your app. It will be like asking for the numbers here. So you need to key in the numbers correctly. Is it okay?
Nila, there's a question in the chat. I couldn't get the patterns. I've pressed all the buttons.
No need to press all the buttons. You just press A and B, press together A and B together. So just press and release the behind button, right? Just press and release. So it will do like this. Right, stop. Because I already released my hand. So just press and release. It will go like this. Just press until it show you the Bluetooth sign. Until it's go here, then release your hand. So it will show your own microbit symbol. Okay. Then you need to click pair here. So pair a new microbit here, then click OK. So it will show like this. The instruction will give here. So just the same instruction we did just now. So just press just press A and B, then just press and release the reset button. So it will show like this. Then it show
Come take a video of this.
Okay. So just draw your symbol here. Then I already drawn my symbol, then press pair. For you guys, because you're pairing for the first time, it will ask to click A button again. So click the A button, it will start showing numbers to you. It will show a few numbers, pairing numbers. So just follow the numbers is showing there and just put in the numbers and just click pair. Because I already connected, I can't get the thing back because I already listed here for me. So for you guys who are pairing for the first time, it will show like the numbers first. So you need to put in 30 seconds. If not, it will just cancel. It will show like this, pair unsuccessful. So you need to do it again. Okay. I waited for 30 seconds. It already showing me pairing unsuccessful. So you need to press cancel and do it from start. So for those already key in, after you pair, it will show like paired successfully. So if already reached that part, can tell me, so I'll teach how to upload the code to the microbit. So after connecting, your microbit's name will be listed here. So for mine is to put. So your guys' microbit will be having different names, I guess. So it will show like this. Can you get until here? Can I go to the next part, the flashing part where we can send the code to the microbit? Okay. So I'll show. So after you come to this page, just click back here. You will go to the main page, right? So just choose the second one, Flash. It will written as Flash. So just choose Flash. So just now you download the code, the program site, the program from the drive. So it will be saved in your storage files. So for me, I download all of them. So showing all of the 12 coding here for me. So just I want to choose one. So I'm choosing, okay, the singing and dancing. So I'm choosing singing and dancing. So just click flash. So it will ask flashing, do you want to flash to put? Okay. So it will do like this. Is it working until here? Can you guys do until here? Can you get until this part where you flash the code into your microbit? Is it okay? You can
Semua
text
okey
in
ke?
the.
Semua okey ke? Boleh faham? Abang Nila ajar ni.
Why is
Why
taking
is
too long?
too long to
Uh,
initialize?
you need to wait for a while. It will start loading part. Wait, also.
Kalau ada yang tak faham boleh buka mic tanya, boleh letak dalam chat ya. Jangan malu-malu kita belajar sama-sama. Kalau tak faham tanya ya.
So after you apply, it will show like this, right? So make sure it's showing like the tick sign. Then you need to go to Flash, pick your program, then Flash. Is it working? Is it already flashed your the initializing process? Is it working for you guys?
Irel is okay already now. Irel, you said taking too long to initialize. Already okay?
Flash unsuccessful.
Flash unsuccessful.
Only
Need to troubleshoot. Irel cuba lagi lagi sekali.
wait, just
Kita kena tengok your Bluetooth pun boleh ni tak? Boleh connect tak? Okay, good. Irel is trying to repair. Good. Okay, ini ialah skill jurutera ya. Kalau siapa nak jadi jurutera, ini satu skill yang kena ada. Kalau tak jalan, kena troubleshoot ya. Kena cari apa masalah dan kena troubleshoot. Tapi bila dah berjaya memang best lah, kan? Nila, what's next actually?
next is yoga's part Tinkercad.
Tinkercad.
Uh,
Right. It's okay. Ada from Irel again. It's supposed to show. Yeah.
So if you upload the assembly checker, it will show like this: A, B. So it will show like this. So after you picking B, you need to keep your hands at the sensors, so it will check for you. Did you upload the assembly checker code? So it will show like this. After you flash your coding, it will show like this. It will take unable to connect from also. So try again because it stopped for me also. You can try again to connect back. If it's can't do like that, you can just go to your Bluetooth settings, just click and unpair your, so it will erase from your Bluetooth files, so you can just reconnect, pair with it again. So it will, so just now I having to put right.
5 times no.
5 times, but it doesn't show that.
Just keep initializing.
Oh, okay. Just follow my. Just go to your Bluetooth settings. Just now, for me like this, right? So just click your. There will be your microbits name there. So just click the option. For me it's just unpair. For you it will be showing like forget or something like that. Just click the option. So after you clicking, your pairing will be disconnected from your app. So you need to pair again. So after you pairing again, it will might work. Might. So I'm pairing again.
Don't give up, Ariel. Just keep trying.
So for if you're pairing second time, it just asks you to pair. It doesn't ask for numbers or something like that. So after you pairing, just flash. Others for you guys, is it working? There's now another girl was asking, Dosini, is it working for you? Is it okay? So those rest of you who has the working part, you can just upload your other codes. Just try to play with him, play with Toby. Just there are 12 programs. You can just upload, try each of the programs, so you can learn how to upload the code to the Toby. So there are many things: Explorer, Follow Me. So if you choose Follow Me, so you can just keep your, if you keeping on the Toby on the table, like, so just keep your Toby on your table or something. If you keep your hand here, it will follow your hand. If you move your hand, it will turn. If you move your hand, it will turn. So it will follow you. If it's walking, when I tried, it's a bit slow, so you need to walk near him, so it will follow you until wherever you go. So if you're very fast, it can't, because the senses distance is very small, so it can sense a bit, just a small length. So just for like this or something. So if you do like that, it will follow you. So you can just upload the codes that you like, or just try from Explorer to until the program number 12, app remote control, until our friends here try to make troubleshoot the problems here. Okay, Dosini, after you send the file to microbit, you need to fix the microbit to tobbie. So that after you send the files, right, after it's successfully sent, you unplug the wire from your microbit. You need to fix like this. So the LEDs are in front, right? So LEDs are here. So just plug it like this to the tobbie. Tobbie will having the reader here. Can you guys see? So you need to plug it to make tobbie work. That's I explained just now. Without this microbit, tobbie is just a normal toy. It just stands here. So can't do anything. Just you can just move his hand around or this. It's okay. So if you want to make it move, you need to uh, fix this microbit to the tobbie. It doesn't work wirelessly. You need to fix it. Fix it. So the two buttons here, right? So need to fix it like this into tobbie. So the buttons will be facing here. So it will be like this. So just put like this. Just press in. Then need to on tobbie. You can see the red light here. So it's considered on plug. So then after, if you uploaded the dancing singing program, need to press A. So it will start working. Is it okay? Is it working? So now it says PFU character found. So wait. Try.
I think Nila, we need to start the Tinkercad already. 11:15 already.
Okay. For I rail Sarfan, I'll continue with you in WhatsApp on something like that. I'll help you there.
Okay. All right, Doshini working. Okay, very good.
Yeah. Okay. Yoga, I think you can continue with Tinkercad.
Okay, thank you so much, Nila. Yoga, over to you. Tinkercad. Okay,
Alright, thank you,
Tinkercad,
Doctor.
everyone can use, right? Those with kids and without kids, everyone can use, right? Tinkercad.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Yoga.
All right, let me share my screen. Okay, right, can you see my screen now? All of them?
Can.
Okay, right, I hope students have opened the Tinkercad and ready with the software. Okay, then I just start with the Tinkercad now. Okay, just go to the search button and then search for microbit. You will find a microbit same as just now Nila show you. Just click on it and then place it on the center. If you guys got this, and then you can change the color of the microbit by clicking the color red, yellow, green, and then blue. So which one you want to choose, up to you. So I just choose the red color. Okay, right. For this online simulation, I will just show you the three basic things. So the first one, using the microbit itself. So how the LED works, and then with the A and B button. So just go to the code. If you press the code, there is a visual block coding over there. So we're using the visual block coding. So there will be like on start, show icon. So if you want to just go to the basic, if you want to choose other things, you can choose. But for the basic start, so I just choose the on start. You can choose at the control on start. Just drag it. And then with the basic, you can choose show icon or You can choose the show string hello. So it's up to you. So if for me, I just choose the show string, and then you can rename it hello or anything, up to you. It's like I put like hi. Okay, so over there, and then you can just click on the start simulation. So once you start the simulation, you can see the hi on the microbit LED. It will be moving. Okay, got it? Again, I show you. Okay, got it? So whatever you write over here, it will show on the LED on the microbit. If you choose the show icon, you can choose the any smiley face or this one, the symbol. So you can choose. So okay, in my case, I choose the smiley face, and then you start simulation. So it will show the smiley face. If you change the symbol also, it will change. Okay. All right. So now we go to the how we do for the press button. So this one you may leave it, or you want to delete it, or you can delete. So and then go to the basic. So you can choose the on button A. Okay, this thing you can see. Okay, you can choose this thing, and then you can choose either show icon, show LEDs, show number, or show string. So for me, I choose show LED. Okay. So for this one, on button A, if you click on it, button A, B, and A plus B. Later, after you start simulation, you can see a button A and B over here. So for me, I choose button A, and then you press, just press. You click, if you press the button A, so what symbol you want to do, okay, you can do the thing. So like this one, I put a smiley face. You want to draw the symbol, just click on the square inside the thing. If you want to undo the thing, just click again, so it will undo. So this thing, and then you start simulation. So the first one, the show icon, after you press the button A, and then it will change. You click once or two times, the button A, it will change. Okay, got it? What if I put button B? Okay, this one is a first one, the show icon, the heart shape. Okay, if I press button A, it won't change because over here I put button B. So once I click the button B, then only it change. Same goes to the A and B. This one, A plus B, this button. Okay, got it? And then the last one, I just show you on shake. Click on this one, on shake, and then go to the clear screen. How we want to clear all the symbols before we done. So, okay, right? So this one you can just, there are many options like shake, logo up, logo down, screen up, and then so on. So in this case, I choose shake. So same, just start simulation. Start simulation. Okay, this one is a heart symbol. And then click B. There's a symbol, smiley face. Okay, now we want to clear the screen over the microbit. So you can see the down here got few symbols. So this one, if you click this one, it will vibrate. It assumes that the microbit vibrate, and then it will clear the screen. Again, I show you how start simulation. Okay, there will be a heart shape. This one, the first one, the first coding. And then we click on the B button. It's a smiley face. And then the third one, we want to clear the screen. Over here, it's like we shake the microbit. So we click over down here. So it will be like vibrate or shake, and then the screen will be like clear. It back to the no symbols. Okay, students got it for the basic one. How that does the microbit works. If you guys got any questions, just text me, text in the chat box, or just on your mic and then just tell me.
Yashini, you cannot use the Tinkercad or the tobbie. Which one is it, Yashini? The tobbie one, because it's time already, so you have to watch the recording. Are you asking about the Tinkercad, Yashini? Because she said, can you repeat from the beginning again? So I'm not sure she's referring to Tinkercad or...
Can you repeat from Tinkercad? Is it the Tinkercad?
I'm not sure.
Okay, if like for the Tinkercad. Okay. I just go with again. I start with again. So the microbit. Okay, go to the search button over here. Search. Okay, delete first. Go to the search. You type microbit. You will see the microbit over here. Just click on it, then drag it on the center of the page. So it'll be like, looks like this. And then you can choose the color of it. Which one you want to choose, if you can choose. So just yellow. Okay, now we want to code this microbit, how it functions with the LED with the button. So go to the code. So if you click the code, there will be two functions over here. So they will be stated. So if you want to change it, you can change. Or you want to go with this one, you can go. You continue with this one. Show icon. So I just continue this one. So you start simulation. You can see the whatever symbol on the coding, it will be like on the microbit. Got it? Okay. You want to solve it? Okay. So now we want to see how the A and B button works. So on the basic, under the basic, you scroll down, you choose the on button A, press. Okay. And then you go up. You can choose either one. Show icon, show LEDs, show numbers, or show strings. So like over here, I just choose like, okay, just now I choose show LED. So I just choose the show string. Okay, this one you can write whatever you want. So I write it like hi. Okay, hi. So let's see what will we get on the microbit. First, we got this function. So it will show the smiley face. So then the second one, once the A button is pressed, then only it will change, unless it stay the smiley face. So if you press the A button, so it will like show the hi, whatever we write, it will show the thing. Okay, got it? I will show you again. Smiley face, the first one. Second one, you click hello. I mean hi, this one. You will get a hi over there. Whatever you write on here, it will show on the microbit. Okay, got it? Okay, right. Nice. And then for the last one, for the clear one, you can just choose the on shape, this one. And then choose, for high, we cannot see the whatever we write on the screen. So you can choose the like show icon over here, then you can clear it. So you got it right. Okay. I got hello. Okay. You can just write whatever you want. You can write hello, hi, anything you want to write. Okay, right. So now, okay, we go to the, just now we saw like the microbit. Once you put a microbit into the tobbie, then it rotates. What makes it rotate? Because of the motor inside the tobbie. So let's see how the motor, we can see how the motor it rotates when we coding with the microbit. So over here, choose the microbit again, and then go to the search, choose a battery 1.5 volt. You place it on, and then you choose for 3 or 4 batteries. Then you got, then you rotate it, click on it, and then you press R, or you can rotate it on the top here. You make it rotate, just make sure the what do you call it, the terminals are down here, the connection port. So it will be like easy. The wiring won't be looks so messy. And then you go to the search for micro server. You just type server also, you get the micro server, then you just place it. Okay, you got it, the 3 components. Okay, so now for the wiring, okay, you go to the server motor. The center one is the power, on the right is a signal, and then the ground. So you just do a connection, you click on the, if you see the thing, you can click power, make sure you got the red box, you click on it, and then you go to the positive terminal of the battery, like this. Make sure you connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, and then same goes to the, you can change the wire color. Okay, sorry. You can change the wire color. Okay, then you do for the ground. And then you can change the color of the wire so it won't confuse you. Power to the positive, ground to the negative. And then the signal, same goes to the signal, but the signal you will be like placing it over the microbit, the 0, near 0, P0. Just now the Nila showed it's a P0, 1, and then 2. This one is the power, and then this one is the ground. So then we will be changing this color to orange or any other color. So I put like orange, and then we connect the ground of the microbit to the negative terminal of the battery. So we put it as a black. Okay, you got it. So this is how it looks. So now let's go to the coding part. So now the coding, it's like clear. So we're going to code again. So we're using the press button A. Once we press, we will see how the motor it rotates. So choose the on button A.
Nila, can you move the circuit so that the coding and the circuit can be seen, both can be seen. Move the circuit. Yeah. Move it to the left. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, now you can see it. Okay, right. So you can choose the on button. Okay. And then you go to the input. Output. Sorry, output. So you go to the output there. So you can see rotate servo motor pin. On the output, you scroll down. You can see the rotate servo on pin. Just drag it, and then you place it on this one, the loop. Okay. And then for the decrease, you go to the mat, and then choose the first one, and then you place it. Okay. Again, I show you basic on button, press A, drag it, and then go to the output, scroll down until you see the rotate servo on pin, drag it and put it on the center stick, then go to the mat, choose the first one, then place it on this one. Okay, and then you can change the angle of the rotation, the servo motor. It's like now it's like this one, the positive symbol is like rotating the clockwise, anti-clockwise one, and then the negative is otherwise. So it's so you choose the degree of rotation. So you can put whatever it's. So for me, I put like under 80 degree. So it's like one rotation. I mean, so let's see how it works. So now you just click on the start simulation, and then it will be like running. Then just click on the button A. So you can see the motor will be like rotating. Same goes to the tobbie itself, the physical thing. Whenever the coding inside the microbit it sends, so it's like you stated you want to rotate, so it will rotate. The motor will rotate. So that's why the tobbie it will make the thing rotate. The motor will rotate. Okay. Again, I will show. So now I change to the different angle, 90 degrees. So start simulation. You can start. You can see the motor will be like rotating 90 degrees. Okay. What if like you want to get the rotation back to the original place? Same goes this one. Duplicate the coding on the above one. Just right click, duplicate. So you place down here, and then over here you can choose B button, another B button. I mean, don't choose the A because you choose A to the rotate 90 degrees. So you want to get back to the original position. So you can choose B or A plus B button. So my case, I choose B. And then the other functions will be like same, but the symbol is like 90 degree. So it's like, it's counterclockwise. So it will go back to the original position. So now let's see how it looks. So go press it on the A button, and then B again, it will go to the back. So A, it will go to the 90 degrees, it moves anti-clockwise, and then once you press the B, it go back to the original position. Same goes, you can try with the other angle, I mean different degrees. You can just try with you can put whatever that you want. So I hope you guys got it for this session. I mean this part, the motor part.
How
Yes.
how to do the coding, the red and blue part?
Come again? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you show the coding again, please?
Coding for the motor part.
Yes.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, I delete.
Nila, there's also a question in the chat. Could you please repeat the steps starting from the motor part?
Okay, okay, I'm doing now.
I think bit fast, I think.
Okay, the connection, okay, right? So far, students, I hope the connection is okay, clear. So I go to the coding part slowly. Okay, first go to the basic code, basic, and then scroll down until you see the on button press. This block, just drag it and then place it. Okay, then go to the output. Why you want to choose output? Because what we want to get from the microbit, the thing we want to get to the servo motor. So it's an output. So you scroll down the output, scroll down until you see the rotate servo on pin. Drag it and then place it on. Got it? Output, again I stand output. Output, you will get like a clear screen. You scroll down, you will see a rotate servo on below the right analog pin. Okay, drag it and then place it on this one, the block. Okay, done. So now this one, the angle. So for the angle of the rotation, so we choose the map. The first one, you drag it, click and drag to the zero just now. You see the thing, zero, you place it on the zero. So you will get like this. Okay, so for the angle of rotation, you can just change whatever you want. So you can put like 50, you can put like 60, okay. You want to put 55, okay. Whatever your number you want to put. So okay, I put just like 80 degree. Okay. So once you have done, click the start simulation. So you will get this one. Okay, you will get, then you just press the A button over here. A button, and then you can see the motor, it will rotate. You see, it will rotate to the 80 degree. So you can't see, I mean, like 80, you can assume like this. If you want to put like you want to see like exactly it's moving, so 90, it will be like it's a right angle. So we can just make sure we can see. Just press it on the A, so you can see it's on the 90. It rotates 90 degrees. Okay. So what if we want to get back this rotation from this position to the initial position? So stop simulation. Do the same thing. You can, if you want to do manually, or you can just right click on the above block, duplicate it, then place it below the first coding. Then now you can choose the now you can choose the button B. Okay, now you want to like it get back to the original position. So you just choose the negative symbol. It's opposite from the previous one. So if you want to like a positive, right? Just now it's a positive. So you want to get back to the previous one, so it's a negative symbol. So you can put whatever, I mean, what you put on the first coding, it's a 90 degree.
Yoga, there's
Yeah.
two students say their micro server is not rotating.
Micro server is not rotating. Did your, students, your
Connection, yeah. Check connections, correct or not?
please make sure your connections, it's like you connected. You can see the red box, right? You click on it. So if you get anything, so make sure your connection, you check back with your connection, because sometimes the connections might make, doesn't make your micro server rotating also. Try again. If you didn't get also, you can text again. Make sure the connection, just place it inside the red box. You can see the red box, right? Each of the connection point, you can see the red box. You make sure you click on the red box. Don't click on the other places beside the red box, so it will like won't connect to the circuit. And then same goes to the coding part also. If you like make a mistake on the coding part, it doesn't make the motor rotate also. Okay. That's why. Okay, right. So I just continue with the go to the original position. So it's okay. You put a button B, and then with a negative 90 degrees. It's like 90 degrees, right? You put 90 degrees, and then you put a 90 degree. If like you put over here, it's like a 80 degree. Over here also you should put your 80 degree. If you put other value, so it will like won't be at the starting position. It might be somewhere else. So now let's start the simulation. We see how the motor rotates. You press button A. Okay. It will rotate until 80 degrees from the initial position to the 80. And then once you press B, it get back to the original position, which is 0 angle. This one. Okay. Got it? I hope students, you understand this part. Okay. So the last one, I just go quickly with the last one. Okay. For this one, just delete the battery with the servo motor. So we do for the temperature, how the microbit act to the temperature. So you just choose a microbit first. I show you the microbit. So and then you want this one, you just clear it. Okay. And then go to the control. Go to the control code forever. Choose forever. And then scroll down under the control thing. If true, then else. Don't choose the if true, then only. You choose the if true, then else. There's an else down there. Okay. All right. So for the temperature part over here. So first you choose the mat. Then choose the second one. It should look like a diamond like that. 1 equals to 1. So the thing. And then go to the input. Choose the temperature. Drag it and then place it on the first one. You will get like this. Okay. Again, I show you. Control forever. Drag it. If true, then else. Drag it also. Then go to the mat. Choose the second one, like a diamond shaped one. Just drag it. Place first down here. Then choose input. Temperature, degree Celsius. Place it at the first. It looks like that. Then you can just place it on top. Okay, got it? All right. So now for the temperature, so we want like we put like the symbol greater than, and then we choose the value of like okay, 30 degrees Celsius. Like we assume like 30, and then the output. Okay, the output we can choose show icon or anything you want. So like I want to put like okay, show string. You can put both also show string, and then above 30 degree. Above 30 degree dia kita rasa macam panas, hot kan. So you dekat sini, I mean students can put like okay, panas lah. Example like panas. And then another one, if like below 30, okay, we can put it like sejuk. Above for the first one, okay, like the temperature greater than the greater symbol, and then the 30 degree. This one is a value for the temperature, like 30 degrees Celsius. You can put 30 degree or 20 degrees Celsius, whatever value you want to put. So like my case, I put like 30 degrees. If like greater than 30 degrees, then the output we can just put like okay, above 30 degrees kita rasa macam panas, so we put panas. So that later on the microbit it will like state panas. And then if like below 30 degrees, okay, we put it as sejuk. So the microbit will show us sejuk. So okay, right? So once you've done this thing, and then you can start simulation. Okay. The temperature you can adjust down here. The thing. Once you start the simulation, you will get a page like the window like this. So over here, it's a temperature. This one is a temperature, degree Celsius. Now it's a 21 degrees Celsius. This one is a sunlight intensity. So this one we didn't do yet. Just now this one is the vibration. It's like vibrate, and then this one is a other part of the vibration. So now we choose this one, the what do you call it? We do the temperature part. So you can just click on the temperature and then you can increase or decrease the temperature of the microbit. So now I put like 16 degrees Celsius. So the microbit, it will show sejuk. So you will get like 16 degrees Celsius. So it's like sejuk. So what if like we increase above 30 degree? So wait, now it detects sejuk. So we increase the temperature of the microbit. Students, you guys also can. You guys also you can test with your anything else you want to put panas or sejuk, or you can put a symbol. Symbol also you can put by replacing the one from the like number also you can put. So now it is showing like okay 35 degree. It's above 30 degrees Celsius. So it will be like you get a panas. You will get a panas. Notification on the microbit LED. So it's like it takes too long to just go to. If like I put what if I put like a smiley face like this? Okay, like so I just took this show string and then I put a show icon. Okay, for the above 30 degrees, we write okay panas, so we won't feel like happy, so we put like a smiley. A sad face, and then for below 30 degrees, so we put like a smiley face. So we can see the what we get on this one, the microbit. So it's now it's 21 degrees Celsius. So it shows the smiley face. What if like we increase the temperature above 30 degrees? So wait, it change. Okay, right. It detect and then it changed to the sad face because we code it as this way. We code it if greater than 30, it will get sad face. Or if like less than 30, it will get smiley face. That's the function of the if then else function, this coding block. You can just test with like okay, if now it's like 8 degrees Celsius, it became okay smiley face again. So that's the function of the temperature with the microbit. We will do got a one program coding with a tobbie temperature checker as well. So that's the how it works with the microbit, the temperature with the microbit. So you can just like you can make the variable of the temperature. Just change the thing and then you can see the changes on the microbit. So that's the basic 3 microbit program online. If you got this basic thing, then you can code it for the tobbie later on. You can code your own coding. So that's all for the Tinkerpad cat. So if like students got any questions for the Tinkerpad, if don't have, I can end the Tinkercad session. Then we move on to the next part, which is quiz.
Okay, Yoga, very nice. So many features of the microbit that we can do in Tinkercad. So I hope all the students can try out. Don't worry, if you didn't follow, we will share the recording and you can do back again. Right, Yoga?
All right, doctor.
Okay, so are we all ready for quiz? Maybe you can put the link inside the chat box, the link for the Kahoot. Okay. So let's stop for a while and look at your chat box. You have the link for the Kahoot. Okay, Yoga, you can run the whole quiz. Over to you.
I'll run the quiz, Doctor.
Oh, okay, Nila. Okay, Nila, go ahead.
Okay. So I'll share the screen. Okay, can you guys see the screen, Kahoot? So I will put the game pin is on here.
Okay, we hope everyone can join. Many attractive prizes. We have 30 students, right? 38. 38 or 36 students. Eugene, how many students?
Should be around 36 or 35.
Okay.
Okay. It's all in already. Already all enter the Kahoot. I see 27 participants here. Is there anyone else having an error or something? Not yet enter. Semua adik-adik semua dah masuk ke? Kalau ada apa-apa masalah boleh cakap dekat chat. Kalau semua dah masuk, saya akan start this. Okay, I'll wait until 30 students, I guess. Got another student now. Having any trouble, let me know in the chat. I'll wait for a while. Okay, another 1 minute. 11:58, I start the quiz. Yes. So, okay. I think already entered. We'll wait for just another 20 seconds like that, and I'll start the game. So, I think someone left. Who's that? Okay, I think 28 students only. I'll start the quiz now. Okay. Anything, just tell me in chat. I'll start now. Okay, I'm starting the quiz. Okay, all the best. So what is today's event about? So what is today's event about? It's all about Solaka, Netflix, or tobbie. So all got the correct answer. So go to next quiz. So next. So coding is a computer programming. Is it true or false? So just now when I'm explaining, okay, everyone got it right. We go to next. Okay. Go to next quiz. So what type of coding was shown during Yoga's presentation just now? Is it Ruby? Is it Python? Is it Visual Block coding? Or is it SQL? So you choose the others. Okay, we go to the next. So next is microbit is a type of. Is this a transistor? Is it a diode? Is it a resistor? Is it a microprocessor? So just now I explained microbit is a type of one of these. Okay. Think few just misunderstand because microbit is a type of microprocessor. So next. So true. So tobbie can work without microbit processor. Is it can do any movement or instructions given without the microbit processor attached to tobbie? Okay. So next. So we go to the next quiz. Microbit can process more than one code program per time. Can it like we can upload two codes together, like we can upload dice and sync? Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next quiz. So devices that can be used laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Okay, I don't got it right. So next. What will tobbie do for singing and dancing program? So what will he do when you upload the singing and dancing program? Okay, most of you got correct. So let's move to the next question. So next is true or false. Does tobbie use battery as a power supply? Or is just use other supplies? Okay. First. Okay, next we go to the next. So next is the last question. How many LED lights are on microbit? So just now I was telling there are few amount of LED lights. Okay, so that's all. So we'll see the winners. So number 3, Aisha Safia. So number 2 is Muaz Amin. So number 1 is Cyril. Okay, that's all.
Okay, congratulations all the winners. All right. Thank you very much, Abang Nila and Abang Yoga. So now we are done with the quiz. Okay. So, okay, Eugene, I think you have an announcement to make now, Eugene.
Yeah. Okay, student. Actually, we got for the next coming 2 weeks, we have a event, a quiz, and also a photo competition, and as well as the video competition. And for the theme of the photo and video competition, it will be related to the STM program. Maybe you guys can take a photo or video about the kits that currently you are using it, or maybe Tinkercad as well for those who don't have the kits. The video for the competition will be about 1 to 2 minutes, around about that, 1 or 2 minutes. Yes. So the quiz will be on September 26th. Yes. It will be on Sunday. Same time as well, also 10 a.m. Later we will provide more information and poster to it. I just want to mention about this program to you all. So you guys be prepared for it. Okay, and thank you for joining all of these 3 sessions. For those who coming, thank you very much. Hopefully you all have learned something.
All right. Thank you very much, Eugene, for the announcement. So adik-adik semua, kalau dah ambil banyak foto atau video, so nanti ada kontes ya pada 26. So this one will be mainly organized by EDS Penang chapter together with EDS Malaysia and also UKM student branch. So make sure you submit your photos and your videos for the contest. The details will be shared later. Okay. So actually we have come to the end of the program. So let us all open our camera, show your big smile, senyum. Okay, dah berakhir ya semua sesi. Kita ucapkan terima kasih kepada abang-abang, kakak-kakak kita yang tolong ajar. Ya, Tan Eugene, kakak Alia, abang Yoga dengan abang Nila. Okay, 3 minggu ni adik-adik semua belajar banyak benda daripada abang dengan kakak ni semua kan. So, jom kita ambil foto, grup foto, senyum. Semua buka kamera ya. Buka kamera, senyum. Dah tamat dah. Lepas ni boleh minta mak dengan ayah belikan RM10. Ada food voucher, boleh beli aiskrim ke, apa-apa ke. Dan juga ada feedback form untuk anda adik-adik isi, dapatkan sertifikat ya. Okey, senyum semua. Dah ready?
Okay, 3,